Hey guys, this is Fundo on Pagama. Coming up next on Uzalo this week, Vega has a change of heart with regarding to his father. Pastor Kuala powerful sermon touch lives and brings hopes to the hopeless Nonka out there. Sonto is checking out of his relationship and Bata is to catch up in his own cloud to see. Tuesday, Lily considered cutting ties with someone closer to her. Wednesday, commissions toilet thrown a spine in the Twala investigation. The Klaba house faced many challenges while Vega gift received a cold reception. Thursday, Kapsile is left embarrassed during her live show when the police badge in uninvited. Nosipo finally received the good news, while Vega decides to take matter into his own hands. Friday, Mr. Twala Meda continues to hunt the Mhlongos as the face of tolerance. Faranzimbi attempts to bring Vega back is unsuccessful. Nonka is trustful for not getting the warm welcome she anticipated from the harbor. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.